Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
What are we going to do today?
I'm going to bring you up to Mount Pilatus on 7,000 feet, where we have a very nice view over the region of Lucerne.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, we're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to train.
So this is the steepest cogwheel train in the world.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
It's absolutely the steepest cogwheel train.
And it operates by, that's how it gets up the steep slopes with the cogs?
Yeah, there are two cogwheels horizontally.
Okay.
It's the only train with that system.
Yeah.